Welcome to a world of colors and creativity. Get ready for the colorful quest of Rainbow Ruby. In a land where colors come to life, meet Ruby, a spirited character who spreads joy with every hue. But one day, Ruby notices that her colorful world is losing its vibrancy. The colors are fading away. To solve the mystery, Ruby embarks on a whimsical journey to the Color Kingdom, a magical place where all colors originate. On her quest, Ruby faces challenges and finally confronts the mischievous color thief, who is capturing colors in jars. With determination and creativity, Ruby releases the captured colors, restoring harmony to the Color Kingdom. And so, Ruby's colorful quest teaches us that creativity, courage, and teamwork can bring brightness to even the dullest days. Thank you for joining us on the colorful quest of Rainbow Ruby. Subscribe for more magical adventures and creative tales.